sewing the retro sparkle design Cosette, peplum, or dress. Let's start with our pattern pieces. We'll need 2 front pieces, 1 main, 1 lining, 2 back pieces, 1 main, 1 lining, 2 sleeves in main, 2 sleeve liners, 4 collar pieces, and 2 skirt pieces. We're going to begin with our assembly of our collar pieces. We're going to take the 4 collar pieces and place 2 of them right sides together. We'll clip around the curve and we will sew all the way around that curve. Turn your collar pieces right sides out and then place them to the side while we continue with the next step. Now we're going to take the front and back bodice pieces and place them right sides together. Then we'll clip at the shoulders and we'll sew those in place. We're going to repeat this same step with our lining bodices. Now we're going to work on attaching the collar. So we're going to lay our main fabric bodice flat on the table, right sides facing up. Take the collar pieces and place them along the neckline. We're going to clip them in place. Then we're going to take our lining bodice and lay it flat over the top of our main bodice, placing it right sides together and sandwiching the collar in between. Make sure in this step you have front main to lining front and back main to lining back. Now we're going to sew around the neck opening, attaching the collar to the bodice. Now we're going to turn the bodice right sides out and we're going to sew the side seams. To do this, we're going to open up the main and lining and place the main fabrics right sides together and the lining fabrics right sides together along those side seams. Then we will sew the side seams closed. Once that's done, go ahead and flip your bodice right sides out. And now we're going to top stitch around the collar. Set the bodice aside, and now we're going to start working on our sleeve pieces. To start, we're going to take our main sleeve pieces, and we're going to use our preferred gathering method to gather the straight edge of our main sleeve pieces. Now take your sleeve lining piece and place it right sides together with your sleeve main piece, and we're going to sew along that straight edge. Now we're going to gather the top edge of the main sleeve. Fold the sleeve in half, right sides together, clip all the way down the sleeve and the lining, and sew in place. This is closing the seam of the sleeve because we'll be attaching these sleeves in the round. Repeat with both sleeve pieces. Once that's done, flip your sleeves right sides out and clip the lining and the main at the top to keep them together for the next step. Take your bodice and turn it inside out. Keeping the sleeves right sides out, we're going to place the sleeve inside the bodice and line up the seam of the sleeve with the seam of the armscye of the bodice. And then we're going to clip all the way around and sew that in place. We're going to repeat this same step with the other sleeve on the other side of the bodice. Once both sleeves are attached, turn your bodice right sides out and set it aside while we prepare the skirt. Take the two skirt pieces and place them right sides together. Then we're going to pin and clip each side down and sew each side in place. Keep the skirt right sides out and divide the opening into 4 equal parts. Take the bodice right sides out and place it inside the skirt, upside down, lining up the front to the front of the skirt, the back to the back of the skirt, and the sides to the side seams of the bodice and the skirt. Clip all the way around the opening and we're going to sew in place, attaching the skirt to the bodice. Our last step is to fold the bottom of the skirt up a 1/2 inch, clip, and then hem with a cover stitch or a zigzag stitch on your sewing machine. And we are finished. Thanks for sewing with me. Here's my Cosette. Can't wait to see yours. Make sure you share your makes in the Facebook group.